In this video, we will learn when to use the definition of element or compound, molecule, or atom. So elements are any substances you can find on the periodic table. I'll pick a couple of them. There's boron, which is B. There is, let's see, lithium, which is Li. There's sulfur, which is S. There's titanium, which is Ti. And as I've written these, there's only one atom of boron here. There's only one atom of lithium here. And so they are considered atomic elements. By contrast, there are molecular elements that exist as more than one atom of that element bonded together chemically. And that is shown with this subscript. So O2 is the oxygen that we breathe. O3 is ozone, and that's found in the upper atmosphere. You may have heard of it. There's also nitrogen, N2, and there's iodine, I2. And these are elements because there's only one type of atom, but they're also molecular because there's more than one atom bonded together. Molecules can also be compounds, for example, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, as well as water, H2O. These are cases where there are more than one atom chemically bonded together, which means a molecule, but also there are different types of atom bonded together, which makes a compound. Hydrogen and oxygen make water. Therefore, water is a compound. Now, some compounds exist, actually many exist, that are not molecular. And one example is sodium chloride, table salt. Another example is de-icer, that is one of the salts that you can buy in a big sack that's used for de-icing your sidewalk, perhaps. That's calcium chloride. And what's important to note here is that these, although there are multiple different types of atom, they are not molecular. And the reason for this is that we have a metal and a nonmetal. And anytime you have a metal and a nonmetal, you have what's called an ionic compound, which is something that we'll learn about more in depth later in the course. But for now, just understand a non-molecular compound is anything that has a metal and a nonmetal. A molecular compound is something that has a nonmetal and a nonmetal, or a nonmetal and a metalloid. An example of which would be silicon dioxide, silicon being the metalloid and oxygen being a nonmetal. Hope this video has helped. Let me know if you have any feedback in the comment section. Thank you.